Welcome to ECD Delivery Team. This is a simple tutorial to learn how to accept orders and complete door-to-door deliveries. Keep ECD Carrier app open all the time to receive delivery requests. If you close the app, we cannot detect your location nor send you requests. Log into your ECD Carrier app. You can check general information about your orders on the home page. In the side menu, you can check requested orders, active orders and completed orders. You will receive delivery requests by email, notifications and SMS. Did you receive a delivery request? In the side menu, go to requested orders. You will be able to check and accept all your requests. If you don't accept the order within 10 minutes, it will automatically be rejected.
There are two types of delivery requests you will receive. Express requests. They will have a red marker indicating the number of hours within which you must complete the task. Regular requests. They will have no red marker. You must complete these tasks within 24 hours.
You have now accepted the requested order. Check out the active orders page and start the delivery. In active orders page, start by selecting pickup and access the order information such as addresses and contact details. To pick up a parcel, in the orders page, click pickup to start the pickup process. You can click start to navigate to the sender's address. Once you arrive at the pickup address, click complete pickup and scan the sender's QR code or type the PIN code they provide you with to complete the pickup. To drop off a parcel, in the orders page, click drop off to start the drop off process. You can click start to navigate to the recipient's address. Once you arrive at the drop-off address, click complete drop-off and scan the recipient's QR code or type the PIN code they provide you with to complete the drop-off. Once you complete the delivery, the order will be removed from active orders. You can check it again in the completed orders page. That's how you can easily complete a door-to-door order on ECD Carrier app.